a marketing solution from Peplink that includes integrated advertising and analytics, giving you the freedom to control your user's journey by understanding customer behavior whilst personalizing search and experience. With our ad delivery service, you can configure Wi-Fi access points and speed up the Wi-Fi network installation process by pre-configuring all cloud-managed access points before they are installed. Also monitor your ads and Wi-Fi access points at any given moment from our ad delivery service platform instead of going on site. This allows you to create banner ads or video ads, as well as survey campaigns so you can personalize your user experience and reach the right audience. Alongside these features, also improve your users' performance and data analytics to strengthen your marketing activities through our intelligent advert functionality. You can place advertisements by banner carousel, video, survey, or in-session ads before users connect to your Wi-Fi. With Peplink's ad delivery service, everything you need is in one place to achieve effective yet simple marketing solutions.